Technology meets the Earth in the most mind-blowing way possible. Yup, that's right. From colossal machines that seem straight out of science fiction to intricate automated systems, the modern farm has evolved into a marvel of engineering prowess. Have you ever stopped to think about how your food gets from the farm to your plate? It's an incredible collaboration between hardworking farmers and the forces of nature. But there's another crucial player in this process: advanced agricultural machinery. These cutting-edge agricultural machines are essential in meeting the huge demand for food around the world. Let's take a closer look at how this agricultural revolution has changed our lives in big ways. Agricultural revolution isn't just a historical event. It's an ongoing process that's continuously reshaping the way we grow, harvest, and distribute food. Picture this: fields stretching for miles, but instead of rows of farmers bending over, you see massive machines doing the heavy lifting. These machines aren't just about making things easier for farmers, they're about feeding entire populations. Think about the pumpkin on your porch at Halloween or the veggies on your dinner plate. They didn't just magically appear there, they went through a journey involving these incredible machines. From planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy to harvesting crops efficiently, these machines are like superheroes of the farming world. Number 1. First on the list is the Rollmax pumpkin plow, a key player in preparing pumpkins for harvesting. This impressive machine boasts 2 rolls. One is powered by hydraulics while the other presses down weeds, ensuring a clean and efficient field. With a working width of up to 4.6 meters and an overall length of 3.8 meters, it's designed to cover a significant area in a short time. What's more, it's foldable, making transportation a breeze with a width of approximately 2.8 meters when folded. Weighing in at around 880 kilograms, it requires a tractor with a minimum of 80 horsepower and specific hydraulic configurations for operation. The Rollmax isn't just about convenience, it's all about effectiveness. It ensures a swift and thorough harvest, while also promoting optimal after-ripening of the pumpkins. Plus, with its hydraulic-driven roll and the ability to rotate the swath shaper, it offers unparalleled versatility in the field. And let's not forget its transport width of approximately 2.6 meters, making it road-ready for easy movement between locations. With the Rollmax, efficiency and innovation come together to revolutionize pumpkin harvesting like never before. Number 2. Next up, we have the impressive Modi KE 3000 Hydro S Pumpkin Seed Harvester. This machine is a marvel of functionality, form, and design, perfected over years of experience in producing pumpkin seed harvesters. It's equipped with a hydraulically driven system and a large screening drum, making it capable of handling high capacities efficiently. One of the standout features of this harvester is its fully hydraulic drive, which allows all movements to be controlled separately. This design brings several key advantages. First, it operates economically, reducing fuel consumption and the volume of hydraulic oil needed. This results in pure, clean seeds with minimal losses. The harvester is fitted with Danfoss hydraulic components, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, the ARS cleaning system operates without a suction fan, which means it runs silently and without creating dust. The machine also features a crushing drum with an automatic stone protector and an automatically operated level control, adding to its efficiency and ease of use. Designed to be towed, the Modi KE 3000 Hydros has a crop-specific focus on pumpkin seeds. It boasts an engine power of 108.8 horsepower and can process up to 1,000 kilograms of seeds per hour. Despite its robust capabilities, it maintains a manageable size with dimensions that make it practical for on-farm use. Number 3. Moving on, let's talk about the pumpkin seed harvester machine Turbo 5000. During the short squash season, farmers need to work efficiently and comfortably, covering more fields faster. The Turbo 5000, a fan-powered automatic pumpkin picking machine, revolutionizes this process. It can handle between 90,000 to 150,000 square meters of pumpkin fields daily, dramatically reducing the need for manual labor. This fully automatic machine picks the pumpkins, sends them to a shredding chamber, and separates the seeds through a series of screens. It even includes a fan to help dry the seeds by 20%. Weighing in at 3,300 kilograms and measuring 450 centimeter in length, 300 centimeter in height, and 430 centimeter in width, this one-row, towed machine is built for efficiency. The Turbo 5000's unique bumpy crusher system ensures that only pumpkins, not unwanted plants, enter the machine. Its high workforce capacity and ability to automate the entire process make it an invaluable tool for modern pumpkin farming. Number 4. Then we have the impressive pumpkin seed harvester machine TR-1700. During the short squash season, this machine helps farmers work faster and more comfortably over larger areas. It's a game changer, even capable of processing 30 tons of zucchini and 50 tons of watermelon per hour. The TR-1700 attaches to a tractor with at least 50 horsepower. It separates the pumpkin seeds, stores them, and automatically discharges them into a trailer. Up to 15 people can work comfortably with this system for extended hours. Remarkably, it minimizes damage to the seeds, ensuring a 99% cleaning rate. Shimshek McKean, the manufacturer, ensures farmers receive necessary training to operate it efficiently. The machine has a storage capacity of up to 550 kg of seeds and features a robust build, weighing 1,300 kg with dimensions of 400 cm in length, 430 cm in width, and 300 cm in height. This harvester truly exemplifies the blend of innovation and practicality in modern agriculture. Number 5. Lastly, we have the Pumpkin Seed Harvester Machine TD-2900, a true game changer in the world of pumpkin farming. This machine is designed to pick pumpkins automatically, eliminating the need for human labor. It starts by collecting the pumpkins and crushing them to extract the seeds. These seeds are then separated and stored in a special reservoir that's 2,900 mm long, increasing the machine's capacity significantly. The TD-2900 takes seed cleaning to the next level. It uses a two-stage cleaning process to ensure the seeds are thoroughly cleaned before being transferred to a grain container. From there, the seeds are moved through a hose with the help of pressured air to a storage area. This process not only cleans the seeds, but also reduces their moisture content by 20%, which means they dry 40% faster. One standout feature is its ability to pick small pumpkins, thanks to its 400 rows of 8 adjustable pins on the cylinder. The machine also has a weed cleaning brush that prevents weeds from entering the system. Additionally, the cleaning tambers or sieve plates can be easily removed and installed using bolts, making maintenance a breeze. Mounted on a tractor, this one-row machine is specifically designed for harvesting pumpkin seeds efficiently and effectively. This innovation is a testament to how advanced agricultural machinery is transforming farming practices, making them more efficient and less labor-intensive. As we marvel at these insane machines, it's crucial to recognize their profound impact on the agricultural landscape. They are not just tools, they represent a fundamental shift in how we cultivate the land and feed our growing global population. Moreover, they highlight the crucial intersection between technology, innovation, and the age-old practice of farming. Now, what do you think about these state-of-the-art machines? Do you have any questions or thoughts on how they might impact agriculture in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more.